Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you like our videos, please make sure that you subscribe and share our videos. Today we are gonna make a caramelized banana fry. For this we need ghee or clarified butter, banana, you can slice this, and we need a sugar. Here I am using organic brown sugar. First take a pan and heat it. Once it's hot, add ghee to this hot pan. Make sure that ghee reach the whole area of your pan. You can use butter as well. Add the bananas to this hot pan and fry banana slice. Once the one side get golden brown color, you turn to the other side and fry both sides with the golden brown. Banana is very good fruit and it's got rich in fiber. It contains vitamins, nutrients like potassium, calcium, iron, and it's good for heart and brain, and it's also good for anemic, for suffering from anemic. So now this banana is almost ready. You can see a nice golden brown color, which is very beautiful, and we get a nice smell out of it. Everybody try this at home, and please give me a comment on the feedback. Thanks for watching this. After frying both sides, you transfer to a plate and sprinkle sugar over it, and
Banana fry is ready.